Today, we'll show you what is normal distribution all about. There are things that should come up in your mind when you hear normal distribution. First, the curve has a single peak. Second, bell-shaped or shaped like Mexican hat. Third, total area under the curve is equals to 1. Fourth, it is symmetrical. The mean lies at the center of the distribution. For you to understand more about normal distribution, I have a sample problem here. Sir Domingo has 36 students in his English lecture class. The scores on the midterm exam are normally distributed with a mean of 75 and a standard deviation of 9.3. What is the probability that a student will have a score of 80? Solution. Step number 1. Draw a bell-shaped curve and the mean lies at the center of it. The mean in the given problem is 75. We need to find the probability that a student will have a score of 80. 80 is greater than the mean, so it lies at the right side of it. Let us assume that 80 lies here. We are looking for a score of 80, so we need to shade this part. Step number 2. We need to convert the real score into z-score. The formula that we need to use is z is equals to real score minus mean divided by the standard deviation. The mean is 75. The standard deviation is 9.3. And the real score is 80. Let us substitute the given to z is equals to 80 minus 75 over 9.3. Let's calculate. 80 minus 75 divided by 9.3 is equals to 0.537. Round it off to 2 decimal places. So, the answer is 0.54. Step number 3. Use the z-score table to identify the area under the normal curve. The z-score value is 0.54. The row of the z-score table indicates the whole number and its 10th place, so we have 0.5. This column indicates the hundredths place and we have 0.04. So we have 0.2054. So 0.2054 is converted into percentage, which is 20.54%. Therefore, the value of the shaded part is 0.2054 or 20.54% as the probability that a student will have a score of 80.